of all, today we talk about the most important and most common codes. This is the P0430. This is actually the catalyst system efficiency below threshold bank 1 solution, 2 solution actually. So let's resolve this code in this video. Please, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question and any debate, you can visit our site carsfault.com for more helpful articles. First, let's know what is the P0430 means. The function of the catalytic converter is to break down harmful pollutants that are created during the combustion cycle and convert them into harmless gases. Code P0430 indicates that the catalytic converter is not function efficiently, therefore increasing the output of harmful pollutant by the vehicle. So let's looking about the possible symptoms in P0430. The first symptom is the service engine soon warning light blinking. The second symptom is the lack of power from the engine. Third, the decreased fuel economy. Fourth and the last, the routine egg or sulfur smell. Note, you will likely not notice any drivability problems, although there may be symptoms such as rock hard idle when cold. So what is the possible cases in P0430? The first case is the one and internally failing catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is no longer function properly, and oxygen sensor is not reading properly, faulty thereway catalytic converter bank 2, intake air leaks, faulty oxygen sensor. The seventh thing is the faulty fuel injector, and the last thing is the leaking fuel injectors. So if you plan to diagnose this, you need this two important tool. This is the best tool. You can buy this from Amazon, link in the description of this video. The first tool is a cord reader. This is the best cord reader, and the second thing is a digital multimeter. You can buy these things from Amazon, the link in the description. Check it out please. So let's diagnose the P0430s. Number first is the scan your vehicle to verify P0430 is the only code present. If other code are present, they must be addressed first. Second thing is the examine the exhaust system for damage and leaks. Pay attention to exhaust manifold, gasket and exhaust pipes, pre-catalytic converter. If any leaks are found, repair the leak, clear the code and complete several drive cycle to verify that was the fix. With the car running and at normal operating temperature, use the digital multimeter tool to check the voltage reading of the downstream O2 sensor. Actually, the downstream O2 sensor produces a relatively steady voltage reading of approximately 0.45 V. If the catalytic converter is functioning properly, if the voltage of the downstream O2 sensor is constantly jumping between 0.1 V and 0.9 voltage, the catalytic is worn and the catalytic converter need to be replaced. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more OBD travel course videos. You can visit carsfault.com, our website, to see more helpful articles. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching.